Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic 3D Max tutorial how to group objects. So as example, I will create box and the other I will create a cylinder. Now if you want to group these two objects, you can select the two objects and then go to group menu, click a group. So be sure for group dialog box, you can set the names like I will set into example group, click OK. And the two object will be automatically set into example group. So you can click here to move the two object. If you want to ungroup these objects, you can go back into group menu and then click ungroup. Okay, that's it for basic 3D Max tutorial, how to group objects. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.